Hi there, welcome to QA Box Let's Test. If you have not already subscribed to this channel, kindly do so, and if you like the video, give them the thumbs up.
The fourth pillar of OOPS, and that is abstraction. So, what do we do in abstraction? Just imagine a DVD player. So, you have button from the outside with whom you interact, right? And internally, there are circuits and there are so many things, and you don't care about them. You just use those buttons, right? And get the job done. So, that's what abstraction is. Okay. So, how can I implement abstraction into JavaScript? All right. So, if you watch other videos, you will find that uh, people are creating objects using functions, and the properties that they don't want to expose outside, instead of using this keyword with those properties, they use let. And let defines the scope of that property within that function's opening and closing curly braces. Okay, but we are working on class, and how can we have private properties inside the class? All right, so ES 2019 class can offer you that. All right, prior to that it wasn't available, but ES 19 class can offer you that. So what I do is I simply take all of this out and create a simple class. So I say class, and I say uh, my numbers, let's say simple, and we say a is equal to 1, m is equal to 2, and o is equal to 3. Okay, wait. So this far, whatever we have done is we have initialized the properties inside the constructor. All right, something like, if I just take a copy of this and say constructor and pass in these values a, m, o, and inside the body of the constructor we say this dot a is equal to a, this dot m is equal to m, this dot o equal to o. All right, so this is how we have been creating our class and initializing the variables. So with ES19, this is equivalent of this. All right, so if you still require a constructor, initializers will be executed before it runs. Okay, so if you want to make it static, all you have to do is just do this. All right, and let's create an object of it first. Let my num1 is equal to new, and my numbers. All right, and let's do one thing, clg, and I say my num1 dot a. So you could see that a is accessible, so 1 is printed. Okay, so if you want to print this, now you don't need the object, so you can simply do is my numbers dot o. Okay, and when you do so, this has been printed. All right, so the other thing is, let's print m. So we can do it like this. So you see 1 2 3 is being printed. How can you make this property private? just use hash in front of it, and now it's a private one and you cannot access it from outside. Okay, so if I save, you could see that this is no longer accessible. Earlier we got 1, 2 and 3, now we got 1, undefined, and 3. Okay, so this is how we can create private fields inside a Java class. This feature is available in ES 2009. All right, and this is my Visual Studio Code, and this is your browser, Chrome browser. So you could see that this works perfectly fine in the Chrome browser, and I guess I'm on 84 version Chrome. So right, that's about abstraction in JavaScript. Thank you so much.